12/2021. So here I got a call for a guy. He's got a broken shower arm in the wall. And I guess he looked me up online and I'm close, so he wants me to go there and see if I can go in there and retrieve that broken piece inside the drop air 90 in the wall there, you know. The shower arm broke off inside the pipe in the wall. There's different ways to get it out, but sometimes it can be tricky. You love attention, Miss Molly. Yeah, you love attention. Yeah, you love attention. Yeah, I know you do. I had 100 reviews?
Yeah, like over 100 I think, and it was all like 4 point something, like above, you know, 5 or above, so I was like, this guy's probably got his stuff together then, so I'm gonna call him first.
I've been doing it since Moby Dick was a minnow.
Oh, there you go then, that makes a difference.
So you said it broke off for sure?
Yeah.
Oh, you're not sure?
No, I know it, I can show you the, I'll bring this stupid thing up.
How do you know it's broke off? Don't seem to be broke off to me. I'm unscrewing it. Oh, that part. Okay, so this part broke off. Usually they break off in the wall.
No, I don't think it broke off in the wall.
Alright, so let me put a new one on it and then I'll see if I get that part. But this thing is definitely... Usually they break off in the wall.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's when you said that. I thought that...
Oh, okay, that's my
so
fault.
it broke off on the end there.
I have no idea about plumbing it.
We'll fix that.
That's what came out right there.
Oh, I can fix that. I get that out.
Oh, you can get that out? Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to get that out for you.
Save me like 30 bucks for a new shower. Yeah, because I was, my wife went to take a shower and it was like, it's always been a little like, the threading on that is kind of like, it's like almost like threadbare.
Well, we're gonna put a new shower arm in there.
Nice.
And a new flange, and then we'll fix that.
Wonderful.
Part. Yeah.
Wonderful.
That'll be.
Alright, so it's actually easier than we thought, which is good.
Yeah.
Because I was like, I don't know what's gonna happen with that. And then she was like, you know, I was like, oh, let's try to, you know, put it back on, and it just, I was screwing it back on, and it just snapped right off. I was like, what the hell happened?
No, it is. That thing's pretty heavy.
Oh,
that's what it is.
Weighs it down over time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that. It's a big shower head.
So you got the shot.
Yes, sir.
Any complaints with it?
Yeah. Well, I got the Moderna one. We got our first shot.
A lot of people complain about that when they kind of feel sore in the second one.
Yeah, I did. It was funny because I got my first shot. It was me and I work at UMass as a campus police, and so they offered it to us. And the first night I was fine. I woke up the next morning with a headache, and I said, "I'll take the dog for a walk. I'll feel better." Halfway through the dog walk, I was so tired I could barely finish the walk.
Wow!
I was like, I had to stop and just like catch my breath, and I was just like, "What the hell is going on?" And it took me like an hour to get out of the freaking woods.
Well, that's kind of scary, huh?
It was. I was like. It was like, I wasn't like having shortness of breath, it was just, I just felt like so exhausted, like I just wanted to fall asleep right there on the train.
Wow, that's kind of scary.
I come home, yeah, my wife's like, are you alright? And I'm like, oh, I'm just going to sit on the couch. So I sat the entire day, just sitting on the couch, like half in and out of like, you know, consciousness. Like, I read a book here, there, maybe played my phone, but I couldn't really, I had no energy. So,
yeah, that's scary.
But then by that evening I started feeling a bit better, and then by the next day I felt fine.
Yeah, so that's like stuck in there.
And then the arm was sore for two or 3 days instead of one. But then I know a guy who works at the hospital.
Wow.
Because of the side effect, like within minutes after getting it. But
Really?
That never happens with the Moderna or the Pfizer one. And I guess the Johnson one's only 67% effective. Versus Moderna's like 94, 95%. And then the Pfizer one is like 97% effective. So it was like, those two are better to get if you're going to get them. But, my dad was like, oh, I really want the Johnson. I told you, I was like, I would get one of the other ones if you can. And so we got the other one because he didn't want to have to go back to. It's not that inconvenient. It takes 5 seconds to get it. You know?
I don't know if I can get that thing out of there, maybe.
Maybe if you can't, you can't, obviously.
If I can get this part out, maybe. Then I can get the thing in deeper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you gotta get these jaws in there
Oh, to pull it, yeah.
to be able to grab it.
Gotcha.
See, you get it out.
Gotcha. There we go.
We just gotta get another gasket for it, but
Yeah, that's no big, is it?
it's actually there's a little O-ring in there. It's a flow control. We'll pull that out of there, save the planet,
Okay.
give you more flow.
There we go. Oh, that's okay. So it's a flow control. That little
Yeah,
tiny,
that
little
little
tiny
O-ring.
thing. So I only need one of these things. That's all I need.
No, I'm gonna use this one over.
Okay, and that's all we need. I would need a second one because I guess I had two of them. I don't know why.
Yeah, no, one's good.
But it's funny because this one was actually up the pipe when I took it off the first time. I don't know why it was up the pipe, like inside the pipe.
It's like having two wipes. I mean, one's enough for you to handle, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You don't need two.
No.
That's gonna work right there. Hopefully.
Sounds like good news to me.
Yeah.
It's definitely
Put a little bit of pipe dope on there and put it in there and see what happens. Usually they break off in the wall. 99.999. You know?
Really? Oh,
they
wow.
break off in the wall, but
So
see,
that one
I
wasn't bad at
got
all,
a false reading from you.
Oh, okay, yeah, because I didn't know how to explain it properly.
That's fine.
Hey, it's simpler for you.
As long as I can get it fixed for you, that's all I really care about, to be honest with you.
Oh, yeah, well, same here.
You know?
Oh, yeah.
As long as it works for you. Another satisfied customer.
All right, yeah, no, exactly. Here you go.
You can't keep them all happy.
Nope.
Yeah, I'll tell you, you can try, but
There's always people that are probably really overly
there's always somebody.
fussy or whatever, you know?
There's always one in the crowd, you know?
Oh, I'm sure. I don't know how.
Alright, so we took the O-ring out, which is going to give you less flow. They put that in there to give 2.5 gallons a minute.
Okay, so this will
So we'll give you more flow now.
Oh, really? More than 2.5?
Yeah, it's going to give you more how you doing. Might have to tighten that up a little bit more with a wrench, which I do.
Yeah, I used to do that before, too.
Yeah.
That's why I kept putting that stupid tape, whatever that stuff is.
Oh, I'm not leaking anymore. I was able to tighten it. You happy with that flow? You get more flow.
Hey, I'm pumped with it.
See that?
Yeah.
No leaks. That little O-ring makes a big difference. So when you shut this off, you want to put it to tub to drain it.
Yeah.
Alright, so that was easy enough.
That was good. Very easy.
Yeah, so that broke off. Usually, like I said, they break off in the wall, but that one broke off outside.
Right at the tip of the thing, yeah.
You know what it is? This thing's heavy.
And it just kind of...
It's kind of heavy. You know?
Yeah.